How's it going, Kelowna? This is Cole back with you from Kelowna Chevrolet. Behind me I have a 2018 Nissan Rogue SL all-wheel drive. Let me show you around. And starting underneath the hood, you have a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder getting you 7 to 10 liters per 100 kilometers. This SUV has only one previous owner, and it is also certified pre-owned. Check out these real nice alloy wheels, real nice tires on it as well. The alloy wheels are 19-inch. You got the chrome door handles, color matching mirrors. Coming around back here, you do have the roof rails if you want to put a roof rack on it. Got the chrome decaling on the back and the power lift gate. There's a button underneath the license plate. And coming into the back area, it's completely customizable depending on the storage space that you need. So this flips up here so you can separate like that. You also have an additional bin down here, and you can actually take these out if you need your back area to be a little bit deeper. The rear seats are 60/40 folding as well. To close the power lift gate, you just hit the button up here and it closes like so. Coming around the other side here, real nice looking SUV. You got the rear tinted windows as well. And coming into the interior, you got these real nice leather heated front seats that are power to the door panels. You have your mirror adjustment, seat memory, and your window controls inside here. Starting at the steering wheel, you have your audio controls, you have your cruise control, and this does have adaptive cruise control to control the gap to the car in front of you. Over here you have your heated steering wheel, all-wheel drive lock, sport mode, eco mode, power lift gate. You got the 360 camera, or the 360, sorry, not camera, sensors, traction control, and your gas cap opener. Over to the infotainment screen, got your dual zone climate control, USB and auxiliary input, and then you got a little bin down there, gear select, cup holders, and your heated seat buttons, and your center console with a USB input there as well. And coming into the rear seats, tons of room. This lever here drops down for the cup holders. You got a little lift there to drop down the seats. And check out this panoramic sunroof. Thank you guys for watching this video on the 2018 Nissan Rogue SL all-wheel drive. For more information on this SUV, feel free to reach out to us at 250-860-6000, or you can always drop by our dealership as we're open Monday to Saturday, 9 to 6. Thank you again for watching. Have yourself a great day. Bye for now.